Alright, what's up guys? Sorry if I look chopped, it's very early. I woke up at like market open. Alright, so let me just see what's happening here. Okay. Anyway, like always, we mark our zone, our higher time frame for value gaps. Market open, we ripped all the way down. We took out this higher time frame bullish 15 minute. We ended up respecting it and inversing it. Now you may ask, okay, but I don't see the inverse candle. Before we create it, my entry is a bit how do we call it? Discretionary. You guys get it, man. It's so early. But yeah, now, yes, I need to wait for a fair value gap to set up. But the way that this candle with speed and efficiency closed, as you see guys here, I just know that this would work, right? I'm aiming for a 3-hour R, but obviously if we start respecting anything in here, for example, if we go on the 5 minute, this whole thing is a bearish for value gap. So if I see any validation of it holding, then I have to react off of it, right? Now 1 to 2 already hit right there, but like I said, I'm starting to aim for actual target and not just static RR in a sense. But yeah, let's see if we can hopefully get 3RR. Okay, I'll remove this. But yeah, very, I mean, yes, we didn't get any setup technically, but it's just with common sense, right? I don't need for an actual setup. Okay, so if we respect this gap right there, I'll close. But if we show that the candle is going to continue up, then I'll hold. My 3RR is right there, so honestly, if it just pushes a little bit more, I can get it. But yeah, it seems like we're gonna respect it, so I'll see. I'll give it 2 more candles. Alright, price is retracing a little bit into this bullish 1 minute FVG. So let's just see how it goes. Honestly, if this respects, then we're gonna go all the way up to New York AM. New York Open, yeah. RR. Yeah, I'm ready to close anytime right now. I honestly could hold this a little bit more to London highs. I honestly could, but I don't want to risk it. Okay, we have news at 10. So far so good. Okay, I'm at 3RR right now in a second, so that's beautiful. Here, let me just record this. Alright, what's up guys? So right now we are up 3RR. I'm risking 500. I'm recording everything live, so if you guys, I'll post it in a second. It's 9:48 right now. I think I'll close. That's 3RR on the dot. So yeah, position closed. Let's go see the P&L. That's 1.5 on each account. Beautiful, beautiful. Everything is recorded live, as you guys can see. So I'll post it in a second. Let's just go check how much I made today. Multiply by 5, minus 20%. That's 6,000 USD. That's 8.2 today, just like that. Nearly 10K. Beautiful, thank God, right? The last 2 days we made 11K and today we made 8, so I'm already up 20. Yeah, I'm already up 20K on the month of June. Wow. That's just insane, guys. Reasoning why I closed, like I said, 100%. I could hold if I see prices respecting speed and efficiency like it's doing. 100% can hold. Well, honestly, I got my piece. You guys know I aim for 2RR, so high RR is a bit new for me. But today, easy 3RR. Wow. Now, if you guys were waiting for an actual setup, right there would have been the setup, I would say. We had a normal gap, 946, retraced into it, and then 122 just hit for you guys, waiting for the actual fair value gap, right? Like I said right here, as soon as I seen this candle going up with speed and efficiency, and you guys see this line here, let me mark it. Once we closed above it, the candle closed, then I just knew that it was okay. Do I care that I missed out maybe on a little bit more? Not really. Tell me. Okay, I don't want to get into too much details. Anyway, beautiful trade. You guys seen it live. Wow. Okay, well, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you tomorrow for the recap. And actually, take profit, withdrew the funds as you guys seen by the accounts number right there. So now I'm just waiting them to send it to my Wise. And yeah, nothing else to say. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting. Beautiful easy trade today. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.